everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand what is the use of API workflow campaigns under Pabbly email marketing. Now over here, I have created this workflow using API campaigns and we are going to learn how we can use this API campaign under this workflow. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have opened this campaigns in a new tab and I'm landed towards this email campaigns. You can see the total email campaign, active email campaign sent, email campaign scheduled and the email campaigns drafted. Now over here you can see all the live campaign which I have created. If I click on this create email, I will get this option to name this campaign and to choose the campaign type. Here let's suppose I have already named this as test and then I have to choose the email campaign. Now here we have the two email campaigns, the regular and the API workflow campaign. Most users get confused how these two campaigns are different, and here in this video we are going to understand step by step what is the difference between these campaigns and how it is useful for our automation and workflow. Now the first one here is this regular campaign. Now this regular campaign is used when you want to send emails manually to your subscribers. For example, sending newsletters, promotion offers, festival offers or the weekly updates. In short, regular campaigns are best suited for a one-time broadcast when you manually decide to send the email to your subscribers or to the subscribers list which you have created. On the other hand, we have this API workflow campaign. Now this API workflow campaigns are designed for automated email sending through workflows, emails, webhooks and integration. This means you do not have to manually send the email every time something happens. Instead, the workflow automatically triggers this email to be sent. Now if I open the workflow which I have created, this was the workflow and I have created this workflow in such a manner that whenever a subscriber is added to a particular list which I have created their two lists. One was the chat flow interested, other one was the automation interested. Now whenever a particular subscriber is added to one particular list, I am going to route this condition to run in two manners. If it is chatbot interested, a particular campaign mail will be sent to this particular person or the subscriber, newly added subscriber, and if it is automation interested, that mail will be sent. So I have branched this flow to move in two manners, and if I open this, over here you can see that I have selected the campaign I have created, chatbot interested, and for the other one, if I open that step, you can see I have selected the campaign automation interested. Now here, this is the biggest difference between the regular campaign and the API workflow campaign. Regular campaign was for manual sending, whereas API campaign was automated workflow sending. Now this API workflow campaigns are extremely useful for lead generation, e-commerce order emails, webinar confirmation, appointment reminders, payment confirmation, automated follow-ups. And with this, businesses respond instantly, save time, reduce manual work and increase conversion. Now here we are going to select the API campaign in this campaign type and then we have to enter the subject line and the pre-heading. In the subject line, I'm going to enter we are testing. So just for the demonstration, I'm going to show you how you are going to create this campaign and then I'm going to show you how my workflow is running using this API campaign. So in the subject line I have entered we are testing, then we have this pre-header. If you want to enter the pre-header, you can do that. I'm going to enter welcome. Now I'm going to click on this continue. Now from here, either I can choose the template or I can simply click on this create from scratch and then select my email builder, drag and drop builder, rich text editor, custom HTML editor. Now we have created a detailed video on this email builder and you can visit the Pabbly email marketing playlist available on our YouTube channel if you want to get the step-by-step process or the detailed explanation of this particular process. Let's suppose I am going to select this rich text editor. As I select this, I will be landed towards this particular page from where I have to enter all these details. Now here I am going to write hello and then I want to create a personalized message. So for that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I am on the subscribers. I'm going to open the custom fields in a new tab. I have landed towards this custom fields. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. You can add the fields according to your choice and preference and then save this. Now how you are going to use this custom fields? This custom fields are used for storing the information and creating a personalized message. So here let's suppose I want to send a personalized message. What I can do, I simply have to copy personalization tag. I'll go towards my campaign and then I'm going to paste it. It is going to appear something like this, and whenever there will be a new subscriber added, new form submitted, that particular first name is going to get replaced with this thing, and that's how personalized mail is sent. Now here let's suppose I want to write we are testing, thanks. So this is the mail So just for the demo purpose, I have added these details. I'm going to save this. So here I'm going to click on this save campaign. So campaign saved successfully. Now I'm going to click on this preview. So over here, this is how my email will appear. So I'm going to go back towards the campaign section. And over here you can see that this is the campaign which we have just created, test, we are testing, and it is live now. And this is the API workflow campaign. I have just for the demo purpose shown you that after you create this, this is how it is going to appear live. Now if I open the workflow which I have created, I'm going to run this workflow in front of you. So as I've told you that I'm going to add the subscribers, and if the subscriber is added in the chat flow interested list, the particular mail will be sent, and if it is added to the automation interested list, a particular mail will be sent. We are going to test this once. For that, I'm going to open the subscribers, and here we have this chatbot interested. So I'm going to add the subscriber. I'm manually going to add the subscriber here, oldlead@pabbly.com. Then I'm going to enter the first name as old, the last name as lead. Then I'm going to enter the country. I will enter the city as Bhopal, the mobile number as this. Now I'm not going to enter anything. So I have added all the important details. If you want to add the tag or rest of the details, you can do that. I'm going to click on this add subscriber. Here the subscriber has been created successfully. Now a mail should be sent. So according to the workflow which I have created, if I open the workflow, as soon as a subscriber is added to the chatbot interested list, a mail should be sent to that particular subscriber. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail just now there or not. And here it is. Just 0 minutes ago, I have received this mail. Turn WhatsApp into a sales machine. It is sent by this Pabbly to this old lead, which the subscriber which we have just created, and we have received this 0 minutes ago itself. Hey old, and you see we have received this personalized mail as I've told you how to create this. Imagine replying to every customer instantly even while you sleep, and this is the mail which I have created in that campaign. So this is the use of API campaigns. Whenever the workflow is triggered, the mail is sent automatically. So API campaigns are mainly built for automation and workflow based communication. That's why they are really powerful when the businesses want to automate the follow-ups and the customer communication. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.